These bad dance make it hurt.
Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll be telling you one of the most affordable fiber net in India, yet most of us have no idea that it existed. As always, I have left you timestamps in case you don't want to hear a quick, interesting backstory, and after that I'll tell you how it works and how the Indian Railway Service managed to bring internet service to our homes. So the RailTel fiber optic network is one of the oldest systems that has been there in India since the year 2000. It started as a central government, that is the Indian Railways solution to make world's second longest railway system future-proof. What it means is to provide the railway station across the nation with fast internet for effective communication. In the year 2013, Google saw its potential and collaborated with the RailTel to provide free Wi-Fi in 19 major railway stations, which they named as Wi-Fi Max. This system then grew and started to operate in almost all the districts in the country, so the government decided to start a separate PSU as RailTel Corporation. So that is the RailTel's short backstory. Now coming back to the actual video, let me answer the first question that comes to our mind. How does the Indian Railway give internet to individual houses? So the RailTel operates on a contract basis, which is they permit the local cable TV operators to become their internet service providers and lay the fiber optic cables from the main railway station to the specific areas. So from the relay box in the specific areas, they provide internet directly to your house. Next question that comes to our mind is it only for railway department employees? The good news is anyone can get access to it like you would do if you were to request a new internet connection, which is I'll get back to in a couple of seconds. This fiber optic internet service aims to provide internet in high speed for the government-based companies, and as I mentioned, also for the people, those who don't have access to some of the privately owned companies such as Airtel, ACT, Jio, etc., but in an affordable cost. Why should I choose this over the other government service like BSNL? You can, but there's a catch in that. BSNL is a government owned and more importantly government operated. So not all nook and corners have this facility because of the manpower. And the optic fiber cables laid for the RailTel covers more area because it is operated by the local cable TV handlers. This is inexpensive when compared to the other government services, given that you can get speeds up to 200 MB per second. So after knowing all this, how can I get access to the internet? Here comes the easiest part. You just have to phone up your cable TV provider in your place and there's a 99% chance that they have access to this RailTel network. It will take a day to set up the whole process like the other services. If you have main relay box near your home, it is going to be much easier. How is it different from other operators? Other internet services are even faster than this. Don't get me wrong, this still gives you 200 MB per second speed, which is in a perspective you can download a movie in 5 seconds. The key difference I would say is that the RailTel net is available almost everywhere, unlike the other privately owned internet services which are available only in the major cities. Unlike other ISPs, the RailTel India gives unlimited data in a limited speed. The reason they do this is to give consistent speed as they have laid these cables for more than 59,000 kilometers. These cables are capable more than that, but it is electronically limited to reduce the load. Coming to the cost, RailTel is very cost effective. It starts from just 499 Indian rupees up till 2000 rupees, which depends on the speed they provide. So if you are happy with 100 MB per second speed, then your wallet will be happy too. Are there any hidden costs? So at the time of installation, the cable TV operators may charge you for the router, which I should say is a crappy one, and you should definitely consider changing it. Fiber optic cable that they are going to lay from the relay box to your home, and also for the ONT or ONE they use. It may come around 2000 to 4000, depends on the things they use. For example, if you have a ONT already pre-installed near your home, so the cost is going to decrease drastically. So this is my bill. Coming to the summary. So apart from the technical details, if you are looking for a stable yet speed internet service at a low cost, you can consider this as an option. All you have to do is call your local cable TV operator for the plans and price. You are going to get 4 or 5 different options to choose from, which are all just the speed of your internet. After installations, you can pay your monthly bills on the RailTel website or even give the money to cable TV operators so that they recharge it for you the old-fashioned way. There are also few hidden benefits that if you are an Indian government employee, you get 10% off on the plans, and if you are an Indian Railway employee, then you get 20% off. What about the future services? As same as the other optic fiber cables, they are usually problem free. If at all you have a problem, you can either contact RailTel's customer care or the cable TV operator, which I have left in the description box below. So the final question is it worth getting one over the other telecom providers? Absolutely yes. I've been using it for a while now and I'm totally happy with it. It is not super fancy with different customizations, but it does the job. If you are a very serious internet user, then you might want to consider faster options available in the market. So that's all for the video. Hope you've learned something new. If you like the video, please share and check out my channel for more useful contents. Thank you.